Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to change username in Windows 10 or 11. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to change your name here in Windows 10 or 11, so the steps are quite similar, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, the first thing that you need to understand here is what type of account. Now, typically on Windows PCs, you have the option to basically either use a Microsoft account or a local account. So if you try accessing your settings and going to the account section, usually in here, you'll be able to see if you have a local or a Microsoft account located on your PC. Now, as you can see, mine has a local account. Now, typically, if you have like a Microsoft account connected to your PC here, well, typically, in order for you to change that name, what you need to do is you want to go and visit what we call account.microsoft.com, and you need to sign in. Now, typically, once you signed in, you'll just want to go to your info, and inside your info section, you'll have the option here that basically allows you to edit your name. So if you click on edit name here, it gives you the option to change your last name and your first name here. And once you do update this, the name on your PC or Windows 10 or 11 account would also be updated. Now, what if you have a local account? So this one is kind of complicated. So if you try accessing the settings by itself, you won't have any options here to update your name. So instead of doing that, what you need to do is we need to access what we call control panel. Now, this is really important because this is only where you can update your actual name. So if you go to control panel here and access user accounts, you should see user accounts here. It's going to select this one again. You should see your actual account. So what you need to do is you want to go and choose the change your account name. And it should give you the option to just adding account name. So once you do type in your new account name, you go and click on the change name button here, and that would update your name in your PC. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.